Shenzhen YCX Electronics Company Limited is a professional CCTV equipment manufacturer specialized in producing CCTV cameras, including 4-in-1 camera, IP camera, DVR, and NVR. With 200 workers and 3,000 square meters plant in Shenzhen, China. We provide OEM and ODM service more than 10 years from many famous brands in the world. Our products have been exported to over 100 countries worldwide, covering North America, European, Middle East, and Asia. Also, every year we attend at least 8 international exhibitions. The materials we adopt are of good quality, such as lens comes from Recom, chipset imported from Japan, Korea, America, Taiwan. From materials to finished products pass at least 6 testing processes. Our products are CE, FCC, ROHS, SGS, ISO 9001 certificate approved. With a strong R&D department as footstone, we invest abundant funds on innovating technologies, improving performance, and developing unique patent housing to follow the market changes, adjust product line, and keep products with strong competitive. Meanwhile, our professional technical service online 24 hours to support our customers timely. As one of the main CCTV camera manufacturers in China, we uphold the quality first integrated basic principle for customers. Welcome to visit our factory and become your cooperator in coming future.